You'll need all the pieces in your kit, plus some tape and a pair of scissors. First, apply the stickers to the sides of the headband. Next, take out the earpieces. Fold along the score lines. Add tape to the flap. Remove the adhesive backing from the tape. Align the ear at the bottom and adhere the tape. Repeat on the other ear. Take out the horn piece. Apply glue tape to the flap. Leave the backing on. Fold the flap down. Roll the horn and match the tabs so that they're aligned. Hold the tabs and gently start to peel back the paper backing off the tape. Align the edge with the fold. Slowly remove the backing from the tape as you go down the line and close up the gap. Flatten out the horn so that it's more round. Trim off the flaps. To make the horn more durable, add tape to the bottom flaps. Take out your LED. Notice that one leg is longer than the other. Now, take a look at the battery pack. Open the battery pack and insert the batteries, looking for the positive and negative side. Match positive to the positive side of the battery and negative to the negative side of the other battery. Close the door. Now let's determine which of the two wires coming out of the top are positive. You can follow the path of electricity from the positive end of the battery around the side of the case and see that the wire closest to the edge is the positive wire. Another hint is the positive wire has a dashed white line on it. Insert the LED's longest leg in the side with the dashed wire. Turn the switch on to test your circuit. If it didn't light up, try flipping the LED over. LEDs are diodes, so they only let electricity flow in one direction. Hold the LED horizontally by the connector and bend it so it's facing up. Test the circuit again to make sure it still works. Get out the headband and some tape. Take a long piece of tape and attach the LED at the top center of the headband. Test the circuit again to make sure that it works. Take out the horn piece. Position the horn at the top over the LED. Tape the flaps to the headband one flap at a time, making sure that the horn is centered on the band. Let the wire fall underneath the flap so that it comes out on top of the headband. Now it's time to attach the ears. Start with the ear on the side of the battery pack. Position the ear so that it starts where the horn stops. Attach the front flaps first. Apply tape to the entire flap, then position the ear and wrap the tape underneath the headband. Repeat on the other flap. Get out your inner ear piece. Fold the piece along the score line, then flip over the headband and insert it in the back of the ear. Insert the battery pack between the inner ear and the back of the ear with the switch facing down. There are 2 score lines on the back of the ear. For this side, we'll use the diagonal. Tape the flaps in place by maneuvering the flap around the side of the battery pack and then taping it to the bottom of the headband. The diagonal score should now align with the side edge of the headband. Repeat on the other flap. Push the battery pack in and tuck in the wire as well. Test the switch again to make sure it works. Time for the other ear. Tape the front flaps in place first, just where the horn ends. Fold the inner ear and put it inside the second ear. This time, use the flatter score lines to tape down the flaps. You have a light up unicorn horn! Turn the horn on by squeezing the ear from inside and the back of the ear. This makes the switch really easy to move. Time to decorate and wear your horn.